Gentlemen, let me ask you a question. What if I told you that the same white powder sitting in your kitchen cabinet, yes, the one you use to freshen your fridge or clean your sink, could actually help restore blood flow to your penis? I'm serious. For thousands of men over 60, including many of my own patients, something as simple as baking soda has made a dramatic difference, not just in circulation or erections, but in confidence, energy, and vitality. Hi, I'm Dr. Jocelyn, and for the past 5 years, I've specialized in helping men over 60 reclaim their strength, energy, and intimacy. I know firsthand that the best medicine isn't always found in a bottle. Sometimes it's right on your kitchen shelf. Today, I'm going to share 10 science-backed ways baking soda can help older men regain strength and confidence. Later, I'll reveal a morning combination that one of my patients used with amazing results. Before we dive in, a quick favor. If you're over 60 and care about natural ways to stay energetic and healthy, go ahead and subscribe and turn on the bell. And if this topic speaks to you, type 1 in the comments. If not, type 0. I want to know how to make this content truly helpful. Here's something most men don't hear. Baking soda isn't just for cleaning or heartburn. Used correctly, it can support nitric oxide production, improve blood oxygen balance, rebalance your body's pH, help your testosterone work more effectively. All of these are critical for strong, lasting erections after 60. Now, let's start with the first surprising benefit. Trust me, it's something most men have never considered. Here's the truth most men don't know. Many men over 60 feel frustrated, tired, or embarrassed about their libido or erections. Their labs may look fine, yet internally, their chemistry is subtly off, slightly acidic blood, low nitric oxide, subtle inflammation, all of which can reduce circulation and performance. Myth number 1, weak erections are just part of getting older. Truth, small lifestyle tweaks like supporting your body's pH and circulation can make a big difference even after 60. Myth number 2, I need expensive medications to perform. Truth, natural, science-backed strategies can support blood flow, energy, and hormonal balance without pills. Myth number 3, I'm too old to feel like myself again. Truth, age doesn't mean losing vitality. Gentle, consistent changes can restore energy, confidence, and intimacy. The key principle is simple. Your body can respond again if you reduce inflammation, balance pH, and support nitric oxide production. That's exactly what baking soda does when used correctly. For those who are new here, I'm Dr. Jocelyn, a urologist with 5 years of experience focusing on men's health after 60. I've worked with men who thought their best years were behind them, only to help them regain steadier energy and stamina, improved erections and libido, better mood and mental clarity, confidence in intimacy and daily life. I want to be clear. Baking soda is not a miracle cure, but it is a gentle, natural tool to support your body's biology, especially for men experiencing the subtle effects of aging. Over the next few minutes, I'll walk you through 10 benefits of baking soda, each explained biologically, emotionally, and practically, so you can start seeing results in your own life. Benefit number 1, balances blood pH to improve circulation. Biology. Aging tends to make our bodies slightly acidic, which tightens blood vessels and reduces flow. Emotionally, poor circulation can make men feel frustrated and self-conscious. Practically, baking soda acts as a gentle alkalizer, relaxing vessels and improving blood flow. Example, Harold, 69, felt sluggish and low energy. A simple morning routine with baking soda helped him feel awake and alive within 3 weeks. Benefit number 2, reduces inflammation in blood vessels. Biology. Chronic inflammation stiffens vessels and blocks nitric oxide, crucial for erections. Emotionally, men often feel their body is working against them. Practically, baking soda helps calm inflammation, allowing vessels to open naturally. Example, Samuel, 71, noticed more frequent erections and better energy after a month. Benefit number 3, supports natural nitric oxide production. Biology. Nitric oxide sparks erections. Baking soda helps create an environment that supports its production. Emotionally, men feel responsive again, not just trying. Practically, combine baking soda with hydration and light morning breath work. Example, Thomas, 66, reported waking up with natural morning erections within weeks. Benefit number 4, improves oxygen delivery to erectile tissue. Biology. Oxygen is key. aging and acidity slow delivery, weakening erections. Emotionally, men notice improved sensation and performance, which boosts confidence. Practically, morning baking soda with water enhances oxygen flow. Example, Richard, 72, noticed warmer, longer-lasting erections within weeks. Benefit number 5, boosts mitochondrial energy in smooth muscle cells. Biology, smooth muscle cells trap blood during erections. Healthy mitochondria energize these muscles. Emotionally, men regain endurance and reliability. Practically, 3 times a week with light stretching helps maintain smooth muscle energy. Example, Gerald, 68, said, "It feels like the engine is turning over again." Benefit number 6, enhances testosterone receptor sensitivity. Biology, even normal testosterone levels can feel flat if receptors are dulled. Baking soda supports receptor function. Emotionally, men feel more motivated, more alive. Practically, small doses, consistently, help your body use the testosterone you already have. Example, Martin, 64, felt renewed drive after 6 weeks. Benefit number 7, detoxifies the liver and kidneys. Biology, chronic acid and toxins burden organs. Baking soda supports kidney filtration and liver detox. Emotionally, men feel lighter and more energetic. Practically, morning routine with water and lemon improves organ support. Benefit number 8, reduces sugar cravings and supports weight loss. Biology, belly fat converts testosterone to estrogen. Baking soda stabilizes blood sugar. Emotionally, men regain control over cravings and confidence. Practically, morning ritual with baking soda and lemon can curb cravings. Benefit number 9, helps calm the nervous system. Biology, stress and poor sleep keep the body in high alert, shutting down blood flow during intimacy. Emotionally, men regain calm, responsive, connected performance. Practically, combine baking soda with hydration, light movement, and deep breathing. Benefit number 10, combines powerfully with lemon or apple cider vinegar. Biology, the fizz supports liver function, bile flow, and vascular tone, enhancing absorption and benefits. Emotionally, men feel mentally sharper and physically responsive. Practically, mix 1/4 teaspoon baking soda with warm water and lemon juice in the morning. Start small. Half teaspoon in a glass of water on an empty stomach. Frequency, 3 to 4 mornings per week. Optional, add lemon or apple cider vinegar for enhanced effect. Combine with light movement, deep breathing, balanced meals, and hydration. Safety note, always check with your doctor if you have kidney, heart, or metabolic issues before starting. Remember, this is gentle support, not a cure-all. But even after 60, your body can respond again with consistent, small changes. Gentlemen, let me leave you with this. You are not broken. Feeling less energetic, less confident, or struggling with intimacy does not mean your best years are behind you. Baking soda won't fix everything overnight, but it can nudge your body back into balance. With time, consistency, and small adjustments, you can regain strength, passion, connection. You deserve comfort, vitality, and confidence. It's never too late to start. If this video gave you hope or insight, like so other men can find it, comment 1 if it resonated, 0 if not. Share with a brother, friend, or neighbor. It might be the step that changes his life. And if you value natural, science-backed men's health tips, subscribe and turn on notifications. I'll continue guiding you with real, honest advice to help you live stronger, longer, and better. Gentlemen, stay strong, stay curious, and remember, you are never too old to reclaim your vitality. Like, comment, and subscribe for more natural, science-backed tips for men over 60.